How you guys and girls doing today? It's the Finance Man here, y'all. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything from crypto to real estate to stocks, you name it, y'all. In this video, we are going to be doing an update to a video I made last year talking about how to find good projects on Pink Sale and how to more than likely make money. And of course, I say that because it's not financial advice. Always do your own research, and you never know what's going to happen in the world of crypto. Before I get into this video, though, y'all, like I normally say, I appreciate and I love y'all. And if you enjoy this content, please make sure that those buttons down below. And if you want to make some free money or an opportunity to make easy money, take a look at the links in the description, y'all. You know I love hooking y'all up. But with that being said, let's get into it. All right, so here we are on Pink Sale. And as we can see, we're going to be going through the projects and trending first, and then I'll go to the launchpad list. So, you know, what's been changing as the year goes by is you start to see a lot of fair launches. And fair launches are fine, right? There are a lot of projects that do end up, doing well. But the thing about fair launches, guys, is that, there's not going to be a lot of hype when it actually launches, right? Unless it's a massive project with huge utility. And even then, people are able to put in all the amounts that they want to put in. And since there's no cap on it, and that's what a fair launch means, it means there's no actual cap. So as you can see, there's no end goal. There's like no end amount. So, it tells you, for example, we'll just use this one, right? So multi-fi fair launch, it has 128 BNB, right? And they've got almost like 3 days before it ends. Their soft cap was 200 BNB. This means this was the minimum that they wanted. There's no hard cap, like there's no stopping point for it. So, this tells you right here that when it comes to the marketing or the demand, it isn't that high. 128 BNB is still impressive, but it is not that high. So when they launch, where's the buy pressure going to come from? There's no buy pressure because there's nobody who wasn't able to get in because it filled. And so, yeah, what I like to do is once we see a fair launch, in my mind, I automatically skip that unless I've got money to spare. Another thing that we notice right here with this token, for example, they do not have a KYC or an audit badge. That right there is an automatic no for me. You can join a Telegram and sometimes you can ask, and they might have a KYC or audit badge from like a third party, like the actual companies themselves. But if I don't see those badges, man, then I immediately leave it. On top of this, you see they're not even going to reach their hard cap here. So we're going to keep on going. This is the kind of ideal project that you want to look at right here. As you can see, saying they did not fill their hard cap, and it's been live for a couple of days, meaning that, the demand isn't that high, but they do have a hard cap. They have a KYC and they have an audit. So let's just take a look at the audit real quick for a good old sector protocol. And as you can see, it is by InterFi Network. You don't have to go through everything, but of course, you want to take a quick scroll down. You can see that, there's no issues with the contract and everything. And at the end of it, you're going to see the most important thing, that everything has been passed. So you can see, taking a look at it, they passed it. There's only an informational error, but there's no major or even medium risk. And it's looking pretty good. The audit's looking good. And like it says, audit verdict right here, low risk, active ownership, and the centralization risk is medium. So that's pretty decent right there. Another thing you want to check, of course, is the KYC. And what a KYC means is that they have actually given public or personal information, like some kind of document, whether that be a driver's license, passport, some kind of information trying to confirm or essentially confirming who they are to Pink Sale themselves, meaning that if they were to launch out of nowhere, and let's just say they pulled a scam, they scammed it, rug pulled it, honeypot it, whatever, Pink Sale will at least be able to dox them and show their face and show them recording their passport and stuff like that. So you have a chance to report that to the authorities. Let's be real, most shit doesn't really happen, even if, you do that, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? And the last thing you can check on the Pink Sale page, you can come down here and there's actually these bots going around for contracts and you can verify. So as you can see right here, they can't mint or create new tokens. They cannot disable trading, and it does say that they can change the max buy transaction amount to 0, but that's not really that big of a deal, and they've already fixed this. And then let's go on over to their Telegram. We can check out the website, but normally we'll do that, as you're scouting the project, right? So we're at their Telegram now, and as you can see, you just want to make sure that the team is active. So you can already see right here, Mr. Tim Vrecken, if I said that right, CTO. This was May 4th. So this was what? This was, oh shit, this is a while ago. Never mind. This must be their announcement channel. Yeah. Okay. We're not going to edit that out, y'all. We're going to keep rolling. All right. We're going to pretend that didn't happen. So take a look at this. I mean, this is crazy. Over 5K messages here. And look at that. I mean, the president right here just said, 2 minutes ago, of course, course, no problem. If you have any questions, shoot it in here and tag me. You can see admins active, the president active. They're always doing AMAs, it looks like. People are talking about what's going on. Let's go through the pinned messages here. So they're doing giveaways, they're doing huge marketing and stuff like that. You know, they've got, let's see what's happening. Oh man, you know, big announcements from the COO and the manager. Man, it's looking very good. And it does look like the team itself, you know, we haven't seen video chats yet, obviously, but it looks like they are doxed, which is one of the highest forms of trust for a project. So I'm assuming that when they go into video chat, they actually show their faces to us, which would be absolutely amazing. So this right here is a good understanding of the ideal project. So just for a quick review, we've got that KYC, we've got that audit on, let's go back to Pink Seal. We've got that KYC, we've got that audit, we've got a nice docs. They have an AMA right here with TravLab, which is a very known person in the community. They haven't reached their hard cap yet. And like I said, the contract checker doesn't have too big of issues and they've rectified them. This is looking like a very good project. Like I said, the only thing that would be the complaint here would be, like I said, the 250 BNB, the fact that they haven't filled it means that, you know, the marketing could be a little bit better. But like I said, that'll come in due time. You know, you never truly know what's going to happen with the project. Oh, another big thing that I forgot to mention as well is that when you click on their Telegram, right, you can gauge it. The longer you do this, the better you'll see. But, you know, you can gauge it based on the members. So you can take a look, 2,251 members. Oh, no, this is the verified. I forgot. Let's actually head on over to their Telegram itself and see. So they've got 3105. They've got 3,105 members online, but people, but it won't show me how many people are online, right? I don't think it shows me how many people are online right now. Do I click this? No. Okay. So it won't show me when I actually click on the group, but 3,000 members isn't too bad, you know, especially for a smaller project. This isn't, like I said, a fair launch or anything like that. So this is not looking that bad. Let's keep on going. We're just going to have this completely unedited, y'all. So let's see. Let's take a look now. Okay, another good project, right? We got Baby Steppin', all the good signs, KYC, audit, 20 hours, 200 BNB, so a very small hard cap, which is really good because, you know, in this market that we're in now, we're kind of in like a bearish market. It's been bullish for a little bit, but, you know, it goes back and forth. So this is really good. A smaller hard cap means it's more likely to fill. There's no whitelist. It's public, which means anybody can get in. That should definitely cause a lot of buy pressure. Tokenomics look good. You do have some locked tokens here. We can see right here, same thing. Owner can change max transaction 0.01 of supply. No mint function detected. Owner can change fees up to 25% at max. That's good. That means that they can't make it so that only people can sell at 99% and lose all their money. And they cannot disable trading. Another good thing right there. Like we said, we go to the website and check that if you wanted to do your own research. And let's take a look at the Telegram. So Telegram, 5,493 members. 254 online. Okay, so you would definitely want more people online. You know, I would probably say around the 700 to 800 range people online if it was like really active. It's definitely going to be a huge pump in terms of the amount of people online once they actually you know, go live with the pre-sale. That always happens. Another big thing that you can check too is that before pre-sales, of course, they have a video chat, and the video chat will be a huge indication because, as you can see, take a look at 12:30, they have a video chat tomorrow. And if, you know, there's only like 20 or 30 people in the video chat, you know, like, oh, okay. Another huge thing too, I just keep on adding stuff, is that eventually if a project is hype enough, there will be bots, right? There will be bots and scammers trying to spam the chat with fake contract addresses and fake links to have you buy into fake stuff. So if it's hype enough, they'll actually have to lock the chat, and you'll see like 100, 200 something people in video chat, bots trying to get in to scam and stuff like that. So like I said, it's looking very good. Once again, we can see here that the admin is online. They've got several admins and mods, people always answering questions in here. So this is normally, y'all, I know this video is all over the place, but this is normally what I like to look at. See, good. This is, you know, a concern right here, right? Buy tax is way too high. Tax breakdown can be found in the white paper. 40% goes towards the rewards. So as you can see, you know, a team, the major thing that you want to invest in, y'all, is the team, right? And this is no matter what you're trying to do. This is, you know, whether or not, I'm just gonna let this video play for y'all while you know, no matter what we're looking for, you want to invest in the team, whether or not you're trying to just simply be a hurry up and take on out. So it's what the people will call it in BSC a Jeet, which is fine. It's fine being a Jeet, y'all. People just call you that if they don't like seeing red, right? But you want to just hurry up, get into a project, take out a 2x or 3x or whatever, or you're looking for long term. The biggest thing you want to look at is the safety of the project and the team. KYC, audit, docs if they want to do that, an active community, a lot of questions being asked. Another big thing when you go into a Telegram, and then that's going to be the end of the video, y'all, I promise, is when you go through it, is there organic messages. One of the biggest indicators that something could be a scam, even if it has a KYC and an audit, is if you go into the Telegram and you see that there's nothing but like hi, hello, how are you, great project, good project, fantastic project. There's no long thought actual human messages. That's a huge indicator, because that'll tell you that this is botted, that their numbers are not real, they're artificial, they're inflated. You can even go over there and check their check their social media, like their Twitter or even their website, anything like that, and you can see that the numbers do not add up. So that was just a video, y'all. If y'all want me to go into more detail, if you think that there's something that I missed, or if there's something that maybe you've been, I've only been in the, the crypto flipping game for 2 years, so I'm getting that experience. But if there's something you feel like you could also add, or something that you'd like to look for, let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch y'all in the next video. The Finance Man is out of here.